said on the way up, it's as good as the day it was built. We don't like to tell you this part on the way up. We don't want to scare you. We save it for the way back. You see the hillside that we're on right now? Well, over the years, it's been getting a little bit closer to that far hillside. They're inching closer, so much so that over the years, 2 half-meter sections have been cut out of the gorge and dropped down into Mullagee Gully below. See, when you introduce a new species of vegetation into a sensitive ecosystem, it can wreak all havoc on the area, but not this time. This time when they planted all of these Monterey pines, something happened to the water table, and believe it or not, the movement stopped. So all these years later, we can